More than 1 in 4 children under the age of 5 die from unhealthy environments. Most of these deaths are due to respiratory infections, diarrhea, neonatal conditions like prematurity, malaria, and unintentional injuries. These deaths are preventable, making it a priority for the health sector to increase its capacity to prevent, detect, treat, and manage illnesses related to environmental hazards, including from pollution and climate change. I'm Dr. Desiree Narvaez, Environmental Health Specialist at UNICEF.
And I am Marie-Noëlle Brunet-Dries, leading Children's Environmental Health at the World Health Organization. We are here to share an exciting way that you can be part of the solution to promote healthy environments for children.
Children have the right to a clean, healthy, and sustainable environment, which is essential for their physical, mental, emotional, and social development from infancy into adolescence. Despite the significant impact of unhealthy environments on children's health, there is a well-documented knowledge gap among health workers at all levels. To address this, UNICEF and WHO have launched the first comprehensive online course on children's environmental health with a global focus. This course is designed to enhance the ability to prevent, detect, treat, and manage children's conditions related to the environment. Primary prevention is crucial because the effects of many environmental toxicants like lead and mercury are irreversible. Health workers, alongside families, caregivers, and policymakers, can help create safer and healthier environments for children. We urge ministries and public health agencies to promote this free course for health workers. The knowledge gained from this course will transform clinical practices.
Let's talk about what makes this course essential for health workers. It is based on the WHO training package on children's environmental health, featuring internationally harmonized and peer-reviewed modules. The course starts with an overview of the global environment and children's health, and then covers chemicals such as lead, mercury, and pesticides, all of which have significant impacts on children's health, such as abnormal development of children's brains and nervous systems. It then covers the emerging threat of e-waste, which exposes children to toxic heavy metals and other chemicals. The air pollution module, covering the second leading cause of death in children under 5, addresses both household and ambient air pollution. The climate change module highlights threats to children's health from heat stress, extreme weather, increased air pollution, and vector-borne illnesses. The WASH, Water Sanitation and Hygiene module, emphasizes the importance of safe and universal access to water, sanitation, and hygiene for children's health. The final module, the Pediatric Environmental History, ties all the information together. Health workers will learn to create a pediatric environmental history, use case studies to understand how exposures cause symptoms, and ask the right questions to link and prevent exposures.
Here are a few examples of what health workers will learn. Protect pregnant women from household air pollution, incorporate strategies to reduce exposure to outdoor air pollution in asthma action plans for children, understand local industries that can contaminate children's food and water, such as lead, cadmium, and mercury, in e-waste recycling and artisanal small-scale gold mining, and their risk to children's neurodevelopment and cancer. Recognize and manage symptoms of pesticide poisoning and know when to refer for immediate medical attention. Prepare families to stay safe during climate change related to extreme weather events such as extreme heat, wildfires, floods, and droughts. The course also includes case studies that illustrate how social determinants of health can exacerbate the impact of healthy environments on children. For example, consider an 8-year-old boy in Bangladesh lead from a nearby battery recycling factory on dried farmland affected by climate change and economic need. Or a toddler persistently poisoned by lead because his family lives near informal lead battery recycling and cannot afford to relocate. understanding environmental and social factors is key for health workers to better protect children and families.
While the course is primarily for frontline health workers globally, it is also suitable for medical and nursing students, policymakers, government workers, and United Nations staff. The English version is accessible online via Agora, UNICEF's global learning hub, or through the offline Agora app. Versions are also being made available in Spanish, French, Russian, Arabic, and Chinese. The course is self-paced, with each module taking about 2 to 3 hours to complete, totaling around 30 to 35 hours equivalent to a full semester course. Now let's look at some of the features of the course: up-to-date global data, maps and graphics, videos that illustrate the importance of healthy environments for children, interactive learning features, including opportunities to explore country-specific children's environmental health data, practical guidance, tools, and downloadable resources, quizzes to assess knowledge.
After successfully completing all the content and getting at least 80% on the quiz, learners will receive a certificate of completion from WHO and UNICEF, useful for professional development. We invite you to join us in promoting the health of children globally by taking the UNICEF WHO e-course on children's environmental health. Together, we can be part of the solution.